Picture this. You've spent a week binge-watching your favorite show, totally hooked. You're on the final episode, the tension is sky-high, and suddenly, your Wi-Fi dies. Catastrophe. Do you give up, or do you start troubleshooting? That's where our word of the day comes in. This is the perfect setup for our Sunday word adventure. Some words are like secret power-ups for your life, and today's word is one of my favorites. It's about what you do after disaster strikes. Ready? The word is resilient. Say it with me. It sounds strong, right? Like a superhero trait. Resilient people get knocked down but refuse to stay there. Think about a time you faced a mini disaster, bombed a test, tripped in front of your crush, or your favorite celebrity couple broke up. We've all been there. But the real story is how you get back up. That's resilience. A story worth telling. Let's dive in. So what does being resilient actually mean? It's the ability to bounce back quickly from tough situations, like emotional rubber. Life throws curveballs, failed exams, fights with friends, or a bad haircut before picture day. Resilience is that inner strength that says, okay, that was rough, but I'm not letting it ruin my life. Imagine a bouncy ball. You can throw it, drop it, and it always springs back. That's resilience in action. A resilient person absorbs the impact and bounces back, ready for what's next. Sometimes we feel fragile, like a glass vase. But here's the secret. We're all born to be bouncy balls. Resilience isn't just something you have or don't. It's a skill you can build. The more you practice bouncing back from small things, the easier it gets to handle the big stuff. Being resilient doesn't mean you don't feel sad or frustrated. It means you don't let those feelings take over. You process, then move forward. That's the real game changer. Let me tell you about my friend Leo. He wanted to bake epic cupcakes for his sister's birthday. Watched tutorials, bought sprinkles, the works. But when he pulled them from the oven, they were flat, burnt, and basically hockey pucks. With guests arriving soon, Leo could have given up. But he's resilient. He laughed, grabbed ice cream, crushed the burnt cupcakes, and made deconstructed volcano sundaes. He spun it as a trendy dessert, and everyone loved it. Leo turned a baking disaster into a hilarious success. He didn't let failure define his day. He bounced back, solved the problem, and had fun doing it. That's resilience. Not about perfect cupcakes, but what you do when things go wrong. Leo didn't just save the party. He created a legendary story. Remember, it's not about never failing, but about bouncing back. That's the power of resilience. Resilience isn't just for cupcake fails or Wi-Fi meltdowns. It's everywhere. In nature, a tiny weed pushes through concrete, growing toward the sun. Scientists run hundreds of failed experiments before finding answers. In movies, underdog teams lose, learn, and come back stronger. That's resilience in action. Even in daily life, we see it. A kid falls, cries, then gets up to play again. Or we tell a friend, you'll bounce back from this. We all face setbacks, big and small. Navigating them, learning, and moving forward is a vital skill. So, your word for the week: resilient, recovering quickly and bouncing back. Be a bouncy ball, not a glass vase. Turn burnt cupcakes into something new. Resilience is your superpower for any challenge. Spot it in yourself and others, and come back next Sunday for another word adventure.